Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add a countdown timer like this to your Shopify store. Many profitable Shopify stores are already using it to increase their sales because this section pushes customers to purchase your product. To add this section, we are using an app named Section Kit. Now let me quickly show you how to install the app. Go to Apps and search for Section Kit. You'll find Section Kit Theme Sections. Simply install it. Since I've already installed it, I'll just open the app. You'll see the Explore Sections option. Click on it and you'll find a wide variety of sections available. Right now, I'll search for Count. And here you can see the SK Countdown banner section. Click on the More Info button in the bottom right corner. You'll see a Purchase Now button. Just click it, it won't cost you anything because this section is free for very limited time. I already have it, so I won't add it again. Once you've added the countdown section, you'll find it under My Sections. Click the Customize button. You'll see all the themes in your Shopify account. I have several themes, but you only need to select the one where you want to add this section. Click the plus button and you'll see the message Section installed successfully. Next, click Customizer to open your Shopify theme customizer. To add the section, click Add Section and search for the section name. You'll instantly see SK Countdown banner in the search results. Click on it and the section will be added to your store immediately. From there, you'll have access to all the customization options. You can change the button text and link, set the countdown timer, update the image, adjust the styling, and customize many other settings to match your store. That's it. Your countdown timer is now live on your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips, tutorials, and Section Kit walkthroughs.